How to disconnect Facebook account from Instagram account. So first is to launch the Instagram application. Now tap your profile located on the lower right corner. Then tap the three horizontal lines which is found on the upper right corner. Then select Account Center. Scroll down until you see this option Accounts. Now tap the Remove button that has your Facebook account. And select Remove Account. So just tap on Continue. And then to confirm, just tap Yes, finish removing. And then tap OK. Now that you have removed your Facebook account, it will automatically unsync to your Instagram account, which means that whatever you post in your Instagram account will no longer appear in your Facebook account. And so that is how you disconnect Facebook account from Instagram account. Thank you and have a great day.